Cambridge, and today the plan is that we're going to visit a Cambridge Craft and Flea Market, and we're gonna just walk around Cambridge City. I'm gonna hopefully visit a couple of colleges that would be lovely to show you guys. This is my 4th time here now, but every time I've always been with someone, and now I finally get to come here alone, and I can actually really take my time and just explore wherever I want to go, which I love to do. I'm also going to give you a quick update about what's going on with me. Why am I still in England, and what my plans are for the upcoming few months. Korea. This is a store here. So the location that we're headed to is a place called St. Paul's Church, which is usually closed on a Saturday, but they're open for the craft and flea market. So I nearly completely missed the church because they're having renovations and whatnot, and it's easy to miss. So this is a lady called Gabby that crochets all her items, and particularly handbags and little accessories. I think it's so pretty. I don't think I've ever been to a flea market in a church. Are these made of wood?
Yes, yeah, they're all FSC certified, and
she makes the designs and then she has them printed onto wood with a supplier in Wales. This is a really neat place to get gifts. Recycle and upcycle items to make things like bags and accessories and whatnot. Life aquatic. shop owners and stuff like that. It's so cool.
Do you want the receipt email?
It smells lovely actually.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Find these in Colombia, India, Philippines. Really creamy chocolate.
Ecuador's got a very nice clean taste that pairs well with spices.
I'm going to pick up one of your teas. These are made from shell, right? That's incredible. How do you do it?
A technique called decoupage. So it's just layers and layers of lacquer and pattern, and these takes about a week to make.
They're all in different stages.
Yeah, but in batches, so small batches, but it takes about a week from start to finish.
We're heading back into town. I've left the flea market and I would like to see if we can try and catch some of the market before it closes. I think it closes at either 3 or 4. That's the X-Files guy. That X-Files guy was here last time we were here. It's so funny that he just turns up everywhere. Look, Kung Wu restaurant, Korean restaurant.